Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. For the trailer turn signal, we need to guys check two fuses, where they're located. We guys need to come and open the hood on that Dodge Ram. Underneath, guys, on the driver's side, that's your car battery. Right in front of it you have a fuse box. You see that cover? You have two tabs. Push them, open, and underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. For the trailer turn signal, two fuses will need to be checked, guys, but make sure you stay until the end. We want to give you one quick advice so you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like we did. The first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 53. So that's here 50, 1, 2, 3. That one here, 20 amp fuse. The second fuse is fuse number 81. So that's 79, 80, 81. Right here, guys, very important fuse. You have all kinds of different fuses and relays, guys. Buy some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get it and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere. We don't want that to happen to you guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.